Hey, 30-minute marketers. In today's video, we're going to answer the question, what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, check out the link in the description and in the pinned first comment for a simple, effective blueprint for you to get started with your online business today. All right, remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And again, today's focus is on affiliate marketing. So let's start off with some definitions and get this stuff out of the way. What are three types of people involved in affiliate marketing? Now, it's very important that you understand these three groups: the publishers, the advertisers, and the consumers. All right, so if you had to guess before I answer, which one do you think you are? Go ahead and leave your answer in the comments, and then we'll move on. All right, great. So you're actually the publisher. You are the content creator. The advertiser is going to be the merchant or the vendor. It's the person with the product that you're the affiliate for. And the consumer should be self-explanatory. The consumer is the person that's buying the product from the advertiser or the merchant or the vendor through your link as the affiliate or the publisher, the one that's creating the content and getting people to click through to that link. All right. Now, there's 7 steps to optimizing your affiliate marketing. And step number 1 is to formulate a plan, which moves into research and reach. Then you go and you start looking at traffic, where you're going to get it, whether you're going to do paid or free. You're going to talk about, then you're going to do content creation and marketing, whether you have free traffic or paid traffic. You still have to do this step. You still have to create content and advertisement that you pay for is still content, and you have to learn how to create that and understand how important it is that that content and the marketing goes together to make sure that you have that reach that you need to make contact with the consumer, with the person that you're targeting inside of your niche. Then you're going to have to do some promoting. You're going to have to analyze all that traffic once it starts coming in. And then step 7 is once you get all that hammered out, you're going to have to rinse and repeat those successful campaigns. But there's a question down here: will creating your own products make you a better affiliate marketer? We're not going to answer that question today, but you can read this blog post. There'll be a link in the description, so you should check that out. All right, so now that we know some simple definitions and we have 7 simple steps that we know we need to do to optimize our affiliate marketing to get down to business, let's go ahead and take a look at exactly what that means as far as the technical aspects of it and where the traffic comes from, what we're going to need, how we're going to collect all the information, and then how we're going to get that over to the advertiser, the vendor, or the merchant. All right, so as you can see here on the screen, you have traffic sources: YouTube, Facebook, AdWords, Google search, and this says Gmail for when you create your own email list, or something like solo ads. All right, so you're going to be responsible for all these types of traffic. So again, when those 7 steps, when you pick your traffic source and you do your research, you're going to have to understand that you as an affiliate for the product in your niche, which one of these traffic sources resonates the most with the consumer, with your audience. And then you're going to have to build your pages. Your pages are your content pages, your blog posts, your squeeze pages. Your pages are also your advertising pages. So if you're doing paid advertising or you're sharing posts on Facebook, these are the pages that you're going to redirect the consumer to, your audience to. This is where you put your affiliate links, and we'll cover that in just a second. All right, so this page also, or these pages, is also where you collect your audience, the consumer's information for follow-up. All right, so down here you have your email autoresponder. That's where you're going to collect email leads and do follow-up by email. You have your Facebook audience. That's where you're going to use things like pixels, and you're going to build custom audiences inside of Facebook ads and things like that. Then you're going to have your Facebook Messenger list. That's where you're going to get people to click through to get on your Facebook chatbot. Okay, so all these things are things that you're going to set up. As the affiliate, you're going to need to build out all these things and understand all these traffic sources. All right, so then once you have your pages and all your autoresponders, everything, all these other mechanisms, these places, this software where you can collect and retarget, re-engage with your audience, such as your email autoresponder, your Facebook audience, and your messenger list, then you will send them over to the vendor, the advertiser, or the merchant sales pages. So let's take a look at where we find some vendors, some advertisers, and some merchants. So we'll start with the first one, and the first one is very simply Amazon. All right. So for example, on Amazon, say I want a book on marketing. So I find a book on marketing that I like down here. So this is Seth Godin Marketing. So for example, I buy this book and my audience, you enjoy marketing topics like this. So let's say I write a blog post on my 10 favorite books, or my the number one book that got me started in marketing, does the best. And I'm not saying that this is the book in that case. I'm just using this as an example. So I would be on Amazon and I would be studying this, and I'd be doing research, and then I would be studying marketing, and I would read this book. So then, for example, if I join the Amazon affiliate program, I could go ahead and I could grab my link right here, and that would set my tracking ID as 30-minute marketing. And then I would use this link right here, and I would share that link on Facebook. I would share that link here on the YouTube channel. I would write a blog post like I talked about earlier. I would create content and I would share that link. And then again, that link would be shared here on my page, and then they would click through, the consumer would click through to the vendor, the advertiser, the merchant sales page, which in this case would be the Amazon sales page. And when they clicked and purchased that, I would collect a commission. Of course, if you scroll down here to the bottom of Amazon, they have information about how to become an affiliate. And this is something that you definitely want to understand with Amazon. So you would click on that to become an affiliate, and you would go to their page and you would understand, you would read each and every one of these. Join, advertise, and earn. So let's take a quick look while we're here at the advertising fees. So advertising fees, these are the rates that you're going to earn commissions at, okay? So you're going to see here that upwards of, it talks about up to 10%, 10% being luxury, beauty, and Amazon coins, and then you can see it goes down from there. And of course, you can and you should check out this link before you start the Amazon affiliate program, because there's lots of things that you need to know, rules, regulations that you need to follow and need to understand about generating commissions and being a member of the Amazon affiliate program. So that's the first example, and I showed you there exactly how you would get your link just by surfing items that you like, that you read, that you want to recommend. Then you would provide that link on your pages, and you would build an audience by providing those links, and that audience, the consumers, would click through and then purchase that, and then you would earn that commission as we saw there. So that's one. Amazon, it's a big one. It doesn't really have the biggest commissions. Another marketplace that we talk about here on the channel is ClickBank. Now this is mostly for information products or digital products, and as you can see here, they have tons and tons of categories, and you would just pick a category here. For example, if you were into green products, alternative energy, you could click on that, and you could see right here, hot new offer for Backyard Revolution. And then you would just simply click on the affiliate link right here. And in this case, we're going to open that in a new tab. And you can see right here, this is the affiliate area and how you can promote their Backyard Revolution offer and easily bank up to $117 for every new customer. Customer being the consumer, that being your audience. So you would just simply go through this affiliate page and you would read all their rules. You would get your hop link right here, just like we saw a second ago on Amazon. This is a different type of hop link, or a affiliate link. They call it a hop link on ClickBank. You just replace your affiliate ID right here with your registered affiliate ID once you create a ClickBank account. All right. So again, let's hop back to ClickBank and let's understand. We'll go back to the main page. One of the things that you need to do right here is learn the basics of being a ClickBank affiliate, and you click through that. And what you need to do is you need to understand and go over to the ClickBank knowledge base and look at the affiliate help section and getting started as an affiliate. And you need to spend the time and you need to read through and understand. Just like on Amazon, it's very important that you understand the ClickBank rules and how you get paid via the ClickBank affiliate program. Now, a thing that's a little bit different about ClickBank versus the Amazon affiliate program, when you're dealing with ClickBank, ClickBank is a marketplace for vendors and affiliates to come together. It's a way for us to find each other. Okay. Whereas Amazon is its own affiliate program for its own products that it sells. ClickBank doesn't technically sell any products. They might have a few, but the majority of their products are going to be other vendors. And that's why you're going to see pages like this where the vendor creates their own affiliate page. So you need to make sure that you understand ClickBank rules, and the vendor that you're working with, you need to make sure you understand their rules, which is why ClickBank has them as the vendor provide you all the information you need to know as the affiliate on the vendor affiliate page. All right? So be sure to go and understand ClickBank rules, and then be sure to go to the vendor page and understand each individual vendor's rules. All right? So that's pretty much it in a nutshell as far as what it is to be an affiliate marketer and how it works. So you need traffic, you need your pages, you need your follow-up mechanisms, your software for your email collection, to collect and pixel audiences, to build custom audiences for Facebook advertisements, Facebook pages. You need your Facebook Messenger list, for example, ManyChat to build a chat bot, and you take that and you collect all that information on the pages that you own as an affiliate, and then you use the links that are provided from the affiliate marketplaces or Amazon, and then you send your customer, your audience, the consumer, from your pages using your links over to the vendor, the advertiser, and the merchant. They will track those sales, and then you will earn what is called a commission. All right? So again, check out that blog post, understand the 3 types of people that are involved in affiliate marketing and what your role is going to be, so you understand exactly how it works. Check out those 7 steps, and then think about this question: will creating your own product make you a better affiliate? So be sure to check out that blog post, all right? There'll be a link in the description. Also, don't forget that link in the first link in the description to check out a simple, proven blueprint to start your own online business today. And that is all I got for you. Hit the 30-minute timer here, subscribe, check out the awesome video here on the end screen, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.